Hello everyone. So as part of FastAPI series, we are going to discuss on Pydantic and some of the sample codes. I will explain Pydantic.
A powerful Python library that is mostly used with FastAPI to check, clean, and protect your data.
Even if you are a beginner, don't worry. I'll keep it very simple. Uh, FastAPI, Pydantic library and sample codes. We have sample codes demonstrating Pydantic uses for data validation and parsing in Python.
Pydantic. It is a library, a data validation and parsing library that uses Python type hints to enforce and validate data structures, allowing FastAPI to ensure that request data matches the, the expected format. What can be done? Pydantic is a tool that checks your data using Python type hints. It automatically validates and converts the data. It's like it's like a smart security guard at the gate. If if the data is wrong, it stops that. Fast API Pydantic cool features.
Why is Pydantic useful? No need to write manual checks like if type of name not is equal to string, raise exception, name must be string. For this kind of sample codes, Pydantic does it all this for you. So Pydantic libs works really well with FastAPI because FastAPI uses it for validating request data, cleaning it, showing clear error messages. Let us see few more example codes.
Pydantic validation autoconvert.
Basic example from Pydantic import base model. A class named employee which is derived from base model and has two attributes name and age. Name is defined as a string, age is defined as an int. In the above code, if someone sends JSON input as below, name as Arun, age as a string 30. Pydantic will auto convert 30 string to 30 int. If wrong data is sent instead of number, some string, example, name Arun, yes, ABC. Pydantic shows errors.
Pydantic sensitive data and passwords.
You can hide sensitive data like passwords, API keys, etc. Python sample code for hiding sensitive data. From Pydantic, import base model and secret string and defining a class here, class with the name user and derived from base model and have two attributes. One is username, the other one is a password. And username is defined as string, password is defined as a secret string which is derived from Pydantic. Now a variable user is equal to class user of username is equal to admin, comma password is equal to my password 123 is assigned inside the variable object. Okay. Now print user dot password. It prints secret string of star 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 star. Funny, right? And then if you want to print a real secret value, then print user dot password dot get secret value. So it shows real password if you need it. So password is hidden in logs or print statements but still usable inside the code.
Pydantic custom fields.
Extra field types you can use in Pydantic. From string import list, comma optional. From Pydantic import email string, comma base model. Class employee is defined with the name employee derived from base model, has five attributes name, age, email, skills, salary, and name is defined as string, age defined as integer, email defined as email string, and skills is defined as list, and list will contain only strings. Again, salary is mentioned as an optional type, but float type, float value. Optional of float means it is not mandatory field, it's not required. You can mention or you can ignore. Email string, it means it checks the valid email is given as an input or not by default, because this will check and throw error if you are not giving a valid email. List of str, list of strings like Python, SQL, Java, JavaScript. Any number of skills can be given for a skills.
Pydantic custom validators.
Custom validators, you want to block age less than 18. You can write a custom logic like below. Python sample code for custom fields. So from Pydantic, import base model, comma validator. Here I am defining another class named EMP, and which is derived from base model and have two attributes, name and age. Name is defined as a string, age is defined as integer, and have one member function which is def check age, and has two arguments, class comma value, and it is decorated with a at the rate validator of age. You are trying to validate the age attribute, and what we are validating, if the age value is less than 18, raise value error, age must be 18 plus. If that condition fails to go inside, then it automatically go and execute the next statement, which is return value. So simply it returns value.
Pydantic cool futures. Cool futures. Type validation. It checks data types using str, int list, etc. Auto conversion. It converts 25 string to 25 integer automatically. Clear errors tells you exactly which field has the issue. Data cleaning removes extra fields not defined in the model if you want. Secret data handling, password hiding. One powerful future Pydantic supports secret fields. You can hide sensitive data like passwords, API keys, etc. Pydantic practical. Want to practice? We shall do code and run in the next video. Pydantic summary.
Other handy features, .dict method can convert model to dictionary. .json method can convert model to JSON string. .copy can create a copy of the model. Config class controls the fields and settings.
Common use cases. FastAPI requests validation, reading config files, validating environment variables, hiding passwords and sensitive info.
In summary, Pydantic helps us validate data easily and cleans it automatically, shows friendly error messages, handle passwords securely.
Thank you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Python plus FastAPI content, and let me know in the comments if you want real project examples using Pydantic.
Thank you for watching.
Like,
Bye.
share, subscribe, comment in the channel. Let's talk in the description. Thank